The CO-Z Countertop RO Filter employs a 5-stage reverse osmosis system, effectively removing nearly all contaminants from your water, ensuring you have access to clean and safe drinking water. This water filter offers 3 preset volume settings, allowing you to choose the exact amount of water you need with just a simple touch on its intuitive control panel. Designed for user convenience, the filter's control panel displays real-time total dissolved solids levels and includes a service life indicator for timely maintenance. Its compact and installation-free design makes it a versatile option for various settings, from your kitchen to your office, without the need for any plumbing work. The filter is highly efficient, boasting a 4:1 pure-to-drain ratio, which not only saves water, but also supports the drinking needs of most families for an entire year. With automatic self-cleaning and a water change indicator, this filter ensures longevity and optimal performance by reminding you to replace wastewater as needed.